Hi, I'm doing a Blizzard Fruit showcase. Yeah, I just got I just got the last move. So here's the first move. It's called Snowflake Shuriken, and it does that. On my level, it does 1,427 damage. Next move, I think Snowflake Shuriken is good for finishing off enemies. Next is Whiteout. It's like a big tornado thing, and it does quite a bit of damage. Now this one's the best one for PvP, Howling Wind. It has 100% chem block, and it's just really good. And then we have Tornado Flight, which it's like you can use it as a flight, or you could use it to beat up enemies because it also damages enemies. And finally, Blizzard Domain, which is the last move, the V move. This is what it does. It does like a lot of damage. Let's see how much damage. 3.8k, that's quite a bit. So if you just do like Howling Wind and then a bunch of other stuff like Snowflake Shuriken, then like it's easily just kills an enemy. And a combo that you should use on players is probably like people who have instinct can. You do howling. I just missed my Howling Wind. You just do Howling Wind, Blizzard Domain, and then Whiteout, and then Shurikens. So it's pretty easy combo. It's pretty brain dead, and it's like an 8k, 9k combo. So it's like a one-shot combo, which is pretty nice. Oh shit, I missed. So yeah, that's my Blizzard showcase. This fruit is worth 2.4 mil, and I think it's legendary. So yeah, that's Blizzard.